Otis, you are soaking wet. You're eating grass. But you always eat grass whether you're sick or not. For those of y'all who do not know, Otis tried to eat one of my sister's cigarettes today. Oh wait, he actually did. Yeah, just the butt. But he's always wanted to smoke. He's always wanted to drink coffee. The last thing he needs is coffee. Otis is also a water snob. He likes to drink rainwater, regardless of where it comes from. Otis, it might make more sense for you to wait till it's in a bucket to drink. Sure. Otis? Otis, no. No. Otis, no. Otis? Otis, yeah. Come over here. Yeah, get away from the gutter. Sissy went inside? Okay, I'll let you inside.